Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be shopping Canadian Tire and redeeming some points so you can buy stuff without using any actual cash. So let's go ahead and look for anything that we like. So on the top we can go ahead and type in anything such as a garden hose, for example. And we're going to look for that. Now let's just turn on sale items. And here we go. So let's say we wanted to add this one to our cart. We can just scroll down and let's say we want this garden hose. We can always add it to our cart down here below just by pressing on there. Now let's say you guys added everything you wanted to your cart and you're ready to go. We can view our cart on the top right hand corner. Just tap on that cart icon and you're gonna see this. Just tap on view full cart. So if maybe it's not taking you to this page or anything like that, make sure to sign into your Canadian Tire account before we do any shopping. So once you're signed in, then you should see everything as is. From this point, just go into checkout. So tap on checkout on the bottom right hand side, and then you should take us here. So on the left hand side, we're gonna see view your balance. Tap on view your balance. If you're not signed in, right now it's gonna ask you to sign in. So make sure to sign into your account. So at this point, it should tell you your balance and you can use that Canadian Tire money in order to make your purchase. So I'm just gonna tap in max amount, which will take care of the total that I have here. So just tap on the left hand side, max amount. Once you tap there, tap on apply to purchase, and then you should apply it to your purchase. So at this point, in my case, my total on the right hand side, it should say 0. That's because I do have $100 in here. So at this point, I can go ahead and tap on complete order since I can see that it's 0. And let's go. And that's it. At this point in time, just take a screenshot just in case you don't get that email, but you should. If you're just gonna do a pickup, then a curbside pickup, for example, then yes, you will need to wait for a second email. So your first email will just confirm your order, and then a second email will be sent to you once it's ready for you to go pick up. However, at this point in time, we are all done with this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.